What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, today I have a big nugget that I want to give you guys. Now I want to teach you the Credit Sniper way on how to remove inquiries from your credit report. Now stay tuned.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
Now guys, welcome back and thank you for being here today with us. Now, if this is your first time on our channel, I need you to go ahead and subscribe. I need you to like and share, and please do not forget to click that bell icon. Now you need to click that bell icon and click on all. Why? Because like that you won't miss any of our content that we'll be putting out daily. Now also give it the thumbs up guys, smash it, do whatever you gotta do, but smash it, smash the thumbs up. Why? Because the YouTube gods will allow us to bring you more info, and like that our channel grows, we reach more people, we bring more value, and this value to you guys is free. Now hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to remove some of your inquiries from your credit report, and at the same time I'm going to give you some free stuff in the bottom of this video, and also I'm going to teach you some of the stuff by the end of the video. So stay tuned all the way to the video, all the way to the end of the video, so like that you get all the nuggets that we're putting out. Now before we go any further, you want to remove your inquiries, but what's an inquiry, right? It's a good question. Now something that I got to tell you is that when we talk about inquiries, there's two types of inquiries. One is your hard pull and the other one is your soft pull. What is a hard pull? So a hard inquiry is when a lender or company requests to review your credit report as part of the loan process. The request is recorded on your credit report as an inquiry or hard inquiry, and it usually will impact your credit report. Now keep in mind that if you ever are denied for a hard inquiry, it will cost you between 2 to 5 points on your credit report. But if you are approved, it will cost you only 1 to 2 points. Right? So that's a hard inquiry, guys. Now, what's a soft inquiry? Now, a soft inquiry it happens when a company such as a credit card issuer or mortgage lender check on your credit to pre-approve you for an offer. Now, something that you got to keep in mind, anytime that you get a pre-approved offer, is because you are, if you see some of my other videos, is that you are on public record, meaning that you went and did the little trick that we show you, and what you do is, or the lender actually goes and check on your information and determines that you are a suitable candidate to be lent on. So they pre-approve you and they send you a pre-approved offer. For the most part, anytime that you are pre-approved for any type of lending, you will only use the last 4 of your social, not your full social. So guess what? You still get approved for whatever credit card or lending that you're going to get, but without a hard inquiry on your credit. All right, so now let's get to what we came here for. How do we remove it? Now, in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the FCRA of 1970, there is a letter. It's called the 604 letter. Now, guys, you guys are gonna take this letter and send it to your creditor. Now, I'm sorry, you're gonna send this letter. You're gonna take this letter and send it to the bureaus. Now, in the bottom of this video, you will see I'm gonna put the addresses for each bureau. So like that, you'll take this letter, and what you're going to do is you're gonna make sure that you print out the letter. In a separate sheet of paper, you're gonna list all your inquiries that you are trying to get removed, and you're going to send it certified to the Postal Service. No other way. Why I want you to send it through the Postal Service and certified? Because you want to make sure it's time stamped. Why is that? Because the bureaus, by the law or by the act, they have 30 days to respond to your inquiry. And if so, they don't do that, you could take it to small claims court for defamation. You could also even sue them for it. Now, if you go into our course in the Best Credit Blueprint, letter number 4 is actually a letter to actually act for suit, meaning that you could sue them for every defamation of character for up to $1,000. Now, guys, that's a little more, that's a little different on more into details. And if you guys are interested, we could also help you. But this is the free way for you guys to do it, and you guys can also do it yourself. Now, it is time consuming. That's what I got to tell you. It is time consuming. You will need to actually go get your credit report, make sure that your credit report is accurate. You can go to every bureau, make sure you compare. We also use MyScore IQ and Identity IQ. That's what we use in-house, and that's what we advise. But you can also go to the Credit Karma or go to MyExperian, MyEquifax, and TransUnion. They also have a free service, but you gotta constantly be checking on them. I personally love my monitoring service because it allows me to save more time, and I do check my credit on the daily basis. Why I do check my credit on the daily basis? Because you never know what's gonna happen. Like last time that I actually, and again, I check it daily. So it just happened almost like a couple months ago that a creditor that I had for almost 4 years ago, all of a sudden decided to attach a old account into one of my bureau in TransUnion, and it was a paid account, closed account. It was a vehicle loan, and all of a sudden it was 120 days late. How? It was probably a mistake. Someone either in let's say Toyota in this case, or in TransUnion. How was it attached? I don't know. But the good thing is I had a letter. I was able to send it to them certified. I also got on the phone and confirmed. It took about 3 weeks to actually for them to do the investigation. But my credit went from like 790 something to almost 689. I mean, that's a big jump. But you know what? After the 3 weeks, it shot up again. But this is why you want to stay on top of your credit. Just the same way that you stay on top of your credit, stay on top of your checking accounts. And if you don't have anything, make sure you watch, because the way you put your mind to it, that's what's gonna grow. Now, guys, let's continue. All right, guys. So now that we printed the letter, this is the next step. Now, this is another ninja trick. Now, but before I do that, I want you guys to know that there's really not only 3 credit bureaus. So you have your MyExperian, your TransUnion, and MyEquifax or Equifax. But you also have the other 4 sub-bureaus. Now, these sub-bureaus, what they do is they collect information. They are public record. So these 3 bureaus, high bureaus, let's put it high bureaus. So it's MyExperian or Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. They confirm all the inquiries, or they verify all the information with the sub-bureaus, which is ARS, InnoBiz. You have SageStream and LexisNexis. So the next step once you printed your letter, your 604 letter, what you're going to do is you're gonna take that letter, and on a separate sheet of paper, you're also going to list all of your inquiries. Now, the next thing that you're going to do before you do anything else, you put that to the side, you're gonna go to SageStream. You're gonna go to SageStream and you're gonna go to the top. Let me show you here. What you're going to do is you're going to security or freeze your account. So security freeze. Now, once you do that, then you are going to, the next step is going to LexisNexis. Same thing. In LexisNexis, you're gonna go ahead and secure your account. So what you're gonna do is security freeze on both bureaus. What's that going to do is that once you now take this letter, you fold it, put it in your envelope, you're gonna take it to the postal service, and you are gonna send it certified to the 3 bureaus. So you're gonna send it to, once again, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. In the bottom of this video, I'm going to add the addresses that you need to send them to once you take them to the post office. So what's that going to do is that you now timestamp the letter. It's gonna go to the credit bureaus. And what's gonna happen is they have, from the time they get it, 30 days to do their investigation and reply to you with their findings. So what the bureaus need to do now is that they need to verify that information with the sub-bureaus. But guess what you did? You blocked it. There's a security freeze, so they can't do anything. No information is in or out. So what's gonna happen is they are going to remove it because they cannot verify by law. And if they don't remove it, then now you can go back and request for, or take them to small claims courts, or even sue them for defamation of character up to $1,000 per inquiry. So in our course, we have our letter number 4 that will help you actually how to do that. But that's if you guys want to go more in details, please give us a call. We'll go ahead and talk to you, show you how we do it, and give you access to our course, so like that you become part of the Credit Sniper team. So once you do that, now you're ready to send that letter. You send that letter out. One thing before you send, they'll put it in that envelope. Never sign with a wet signature on those letters. You never want to do that because you are verifying that this is you, okay? Never sign. You put your name, you put the information in there, and everything had to be typed. Never sign any of this letter before you send it out. All right, guys, keep in mind that the burden of proof is on the credit bureaus. Their job is to verify anything that you dispute, anything that you think that is inaccurate on your credit report. Now, something that I'm going to advise you is never dispute an inquiry on an open account. And when I'm talking about an open account, I'm talking about a credit card. Not a car loan, not a home loan, but a credit card. Why is this? Let's just say you have Chase Inc. You got a $15,000 credit card from Chase Inc. And all of a sudden you want to dispute that because you want to take that inquiry off your credit report. Okay. What Chase may do or can do is, since you disputed that and they had to remove it, now they could choose to close your account or call your account. That ending your $15,000 line of credit with them and not having a credit card. Now, something that I'm going to tell you personally, I like to play around with this myself. So I like to, constantly playing the game, testing the waters, so I could bring you most accurate information. But I keep doing it myself. I still yet to actually have a credit card closed, and I still done it. Now, what I'm telling you is for educational purposes only. Remember, I'm not an attorney or a CPA, but I like to test the water so I could bring you the most up-to-date information. Now, I've seen it in some of our clients that have done the same, and some of them have lost their credit card. So my advice to you guys is don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you do it, then you run the risk that might happen to you. So just keep that in mind, guys. I hope this helps you. We're trying to bring you so much value. We're trying to make sure that we provide you all the up-to-date information that we have and what we find. And we keep playing around with not playing around, but we're trying to test the water, trying to figure out. And this is what we actually invest our time in, to try to research and learn the most up-to-date information so that we can bring you the most up-to-date information. So, guys, thank you for being here today. Once again, I am Carlos Estrada Vega. We are with the best credit blueprint. What I want you to do is please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share. But at the same time, click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified. Guys, give us a thumbs up. And it's gonna help us out. It's gonna help us out. It's gonna show, allow us to actually bring you more content. But at the same time, comment. I want you to comment on this video. Let me know what you guys think. At the same time, if there's a topic that you guys want us to bring to you, because credit is infinite. There's so much about credit, ins and outs, and somebody might want to know about inquiries, but somebody may want to know about credit utilization. What's the best way and when you do it? And there's so much more information out there that we could bring to you, but we want to know what you guys want to hear about. So like that, we could tailor our videos to you guys. Once again, Carlos Estrada Vega, we are the best credit blueprint. Check our videos on the bottom of this, and we'll see you the next time.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?